friend of me is Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view on this device. First of all, just access one of your apps like Play Store and click on this square button. Now you need to hold it, select this icon under padlock with two rectangles, and click on the other app after selecting Home button. I will go with Chrome. As you can see now, I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first tab upwards and then select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!